Hello everybody, welcome back. And yeah, another Tuesday and another lockout tagout lock. Again, the master lock 410, this time with a metal shackle and a much more exciting bitting. So look at that, cannot get much better. Again, the 401 keyway, 6 pins, and yeah, ball bearings from made of steel or so. But yeah, it does not really matter in a plastic lock body. So locked it back up, and yeah, using pin side tension to start with, and this Jimmy Look long hook. Let's get in there. So what is that? 5 is binding, and we got to do good false set. Just touched 6 and lost the false set and got it back. And to pick the front pins, I'm using that there's no spring tension on the core, so I can just swap to non-pin side tension and I can really work on these first pins. Let's see, because this first pin especially needs to be set super deep like this. What you see there is the second pin, the first pin is gone, so to say. Let's continue. Number 2 slipped off. Okay. And now it's still not open, but I'm afraid to overset anything, so let's swap back to pin side tension and use the steeper hook again. Or actually, let's stay with this one first. Maybe this is already enough. Let's see where the problem is. Let's use the Jimmy Long. Okay, 6 is binding. Okay, I have good counter rotation. And there's a problem now. So for the front pin, it's really much easier to work with non-pin side tension. Let's see. There we go. Pin 2, and we open. So yeah, you can go back and forth with pin side and non-pin side tension, and for these tensioners here from Multipick are really ideal. But I guess normally you don't have to do that often. Maybe I also did it on purpose a bit on this video. We will never know. So anyhow, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!